A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Anybody ever treat your body it because you are Christian? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 1 from verse 9 to verse 20. Me a John, uno brother and friend, we are go through the same sufferation we uno a go through. All the way, I go take part in a God kingdom. And same like uno, me nah give up. Me will go and suffer till God come back. Cause me preach God word and tell people all of the things them where Jesus show me, them put me on an island named Patmos. Pan the day when people gather to worship the Lord, the Holy Spirit take control of me. Then me hear one voice back at me. And the voice loud and clear like one trumpet. The voice said to me, say, write down them sitting here where you sit in a one book and send it go to the 7 church them. Send it go to Ephesus, Smyrna, Pergamum, Thyatira, Sardis, Philadelphia, and Laodicea. So me turn round to see who talk to me. When me turn round, me see 7 of the sitting them where we use for old candle. And the whole of them make out a gold. And turn up in the middle of them, me see something where look like one man. Him did have on one long jacket where catching clear down on him foot and one gold trap crossing chest. Him head and him ear did white like cotton or snow. And he eye them shine bright like one fire where blaze. Him foot them shine bright like bronze iron where they rub till it shine. And where they did burn in a fire forget out all when of in it. And when him talk, him voice sound loud like the noise from one big waterfall. Him did have 7 stars in his right hand and one sword with the 2 sides them well sharp come out of his mouth. And him face shine bright like the sun a middle day. When me see the man, me fling down myself at him foot and no move like say me dead. Then him stretch out him right hand and touch me and say to me, say, nobody afraid. Me are the first and me are the last. Everything start with me and everything done with me. Me alive, me did dead one time. But look, no, me I live forever. Me have the key and the power to open or lock up the place where the dead people them there. And me can make them come back alive. So write everything in the book. That are the sitting them where you see where happen now and where going happen later. The 7 star them where you see in my right hand and the 7 gold sitting them for old candle. This are what they mean. The 7 star them are the leader them for the 7 church them. And the 7 sitting for old candle are the 7 church them. I got what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.